29 forecast.
Well, if you're traveling by train, plane, or automobile, expect some scattered downpours. Hello, I'm Storm Team 29 meteorologist Josh Fitzpatrick. Yeah, dodging some downpours, but so far, no showers or thunderstorms as we look outside live on the VDOT cameras from Afton Mountain I-64. Hazy hot sunshine for eastbound travelers there. And here's Route 29 at North Garden. We have clear conditions, no fog, and we have traffic moving along to I-81 there to Stanton and Harrisonburg, but the Shenandoah Valley, your most favored to see a shower this morning, but it's mostly this afternoon. Central Virginia, Charlottesville, here's your specific first forecast, mid-70s through mid-80s at noon. This afternoon and evening, anytime, any place, a shower and downpour will begin to form. Harrisonburg, Stanton, Waynesboro, Charlottesville, and all points in between. We're going to see a scattered shower and storm, but the valley, here's your first forecast. Low 70s at 8, low 80s at noon, and like Central Virginia, anytime, any place, a shower and storm will begin to pop up. Temperatures across the area are seasonably mild and muggy in the low 70s area-wide from areas of Madison on down into Dillwyn. Dry scans on NBC 29's live Doppler radar east of the Blue Ridge, and we're watching a couple of downpours. But as I talked about over the last hour, these storms coming across the Allegheny front would weaken as they cross the higher elevation. So just maybe a little sprinkle out here into Harrisonburg and Rockingham County, but even that not really reaching the ground. What is reaching the ground? Look at this, another tropical system. This is a very weak tropical system. It's a tropical storm named Colin now. Colin formed in the last couple of hours, named by the National Hurricane Center. It is centered between Charleston and Myrtle Beach, but it's mostly going to skim the outer banks of North Carolina as a weak tropical storm. It's mostly producing squally weather, showers and storms, and rip currents from the outer banks of North Carolina, South Carolina, and even at Virginia Beach. So keep that in mind heading to the beach this holiday weekend. To the northwest, I'm tracking a summer cold front that's arriving from the northwest, enhancing our scattered showers and storms. But thankfully, as advertised, this front will push to the south this weekend by tomorrow and Monday, and that means less humid, and that means mostly dry skies on Sunday and Monday. But until then, today into this evening, from Wichita to Boston, a severe weather risk, and we are right in the middle. And that means a scattered severe storm cannot be ruled out. And I'm mostly concerned about some downburst winds. Whenever you get these huge thunderstorms to form, those cloud tops go twice as high as Mount Everest. And when they collapse, they can produce some localized downburst winds, straight line winds. So that's what I'm concerned about today into this evening. Perhaps some spotty hail and some lightning that could cause some power outages and even some torrential rainfall. But here we go this afternoon and evening. There's 5 p.m. northwest, southeast through midnight. Showers and storms will begin to congregate, and then they'll exit tomorrow. And we're mostly dry on Sunday, Monday, and then active weather off and on as we go into the middle and end of next week. Your forecast, looking at that 7-day planner, we're talking about scattered showers and storms Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday. Highs in the 80s and low 90s and lows in the 70s and 60s. It looks like the most active weather will be this afternoon into this evening, and then overall not too bad for Sunday and Independence Day on Monday.
All right, Josh. So it looks like we're going to be able to get out there and see some fireworks. Do you have any plans?
I really don't.
Yeah?
I have not seen fireworks in person in quite some time, so maybe I'll have to go out and look at them,
All right.
perhaps over Carter Mountain.
Okay, sounds good. I don't have plans either, but like maybe I'll do the same thing.